guys, today we're going to be talking about our most popular accessories, which are the mighty hoops. Our most popular one is the 5x5. The 5x5 is the one that comes with the masterboard. The 5x5 is great by doing left and right logos. You can also, a lot of people use this for doing samples, testing, small designs. Our second most popular one would be the 10x10. This one is great for doing front of the hoodies, back of jackets. You can also do patches, freestanding lace. This is also great for doing tulle. This one does not come with the masterboard. You would have to get this one on the side, but I do recommend you getting this one because it's a great asset for your embroidery business. So if you have a 7 needle or a 12 needle, this is the biggest magnetic hoop you're able to use on those machines. So those are the most popular hoops our customers request. Thank you for watching.